Harbec is a manufacturing company. Primary business units are injection molding, CNC machining, mold building, and additive manufacturing. We purchased the post-process machines to complement our additive manufacturing department. Typically when a part comes out of an additive machine, it has an inherent surface quality that it's not the most pleasing finish. Typically this is hand worked by an operator or technician. It's very time consuming and very costly. So we purchased the post-process equipment to eliminate that step in the process.
So the post-process machine is used in lieu of, say, the lapping tool. Instead of sitting there and hand working a part, I'm able to throw them in the machine to clean up the surface and really smooth them up so I can use my time more efficiently and be more productive through the day.
So what we did is we took the post-process machine, and every single part that goes through our additive department goes through the machine, comes out with a much better surface RA. It has eliminated numerous hours that our technicians would have spent polishing this material. The equipment just runs unattended and creates a great product. The back tablet was very helpful, especially after we initially had the machine installed. All of the user instructions are located on it. It's very easy to navigate. It's very helpful for our technicians to be able to just pick up the tablet and find out information they needed to know. We use the tablet as a resource, and it's been very helpful. I think that any business that's involved in the 3D printing industry could benefit from having one of these machines. We'll be working with post-process for a lot of years to come. The equipment has been great. We haven't had any issues or downtimes with the equipment, and we use it daily. It's been a great experience for us, and we hope to purchase more machines in the future.